This is Soul X Hunter. Anime series. Katana Handle Umbrella. Available at shopee.ph. Katana Handle Umbrella unboxing. Zorro has had 7 swords pass through his hands since the start of the story. When he first appears, he owns the Wado Ikimanji, one of the 21 Owazumano great graded swords, and a pair of generic, unnamed katana, depicted in the anime, and color art is black with red Sanagawa and round brass suba and plain fittings matching those of the Wado. When using his Santoryu, 3 swords fighting style, Wado typically is the blade Zorro places in his mouth. It is also his preferred sword for occasions when he uses a single sword, such as the Lion's Song Iai technique. The unnamed pair are destroyed in Zorro's duel against Dracula Mahawk at the Bharati. He carries the stumps until Rogatown, when he replaces them at Ippon Matsu's sword shop. There he purchases the Wazumano graded, cursed sword Sandai Kitetsu, and is gifted Matsu's heirloom sword, the Ryu Wazumano, skillful grade, Yubashiri. Zorro carries this trio of swords from Rogatown until the mission to rescue Nico Robin from Enies Lobby. During the fight on the Bridge of Hesitation, Zorro encountered a marine captain, unnamed in the manga, named Shu in the anime, who destroyed Yubashiri with his Rust Devil Fruit. Zorro carried the rusted, unusable stump of Yubashiri with him until his duel against the reanimated Ryuma on Thriller Bark. Ryuma gifted Zorro his Wazumano sword Shisui, and Zorro laid Yubashiri to rest on Thriller Bark. Zorro uses Shisui from post-Thriller Bark onward, across the timescale and all the way until the early stages of the Wano arc. In Wano, Hiyori Kazuki convinced Zorro to return Shisui, which had been stolen from Ryuma's tomb along with his body, in exchange for her heirloom sword, the also Wazumano Enma, the mate of Oden Kazuki's other sword Aim no Habakiri. Zorro took Enma with him when the Stafuts left Wano, and it likely will remain with him for the rest of the story. This is Zorro Sandai Kitetsu. This is Zorro Katana Enma.